How to fix MRT.exe high disk and CPU usage on Windows. 1. Scan MRT.exe at c:/windows/system32 for potential virus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Run a full virus scan. 3. Terminate MRT process via WTM or Microsoft Windows malicious removal tool.